Hi guys, welcome to our afternoon training. Today we're actually going to be talking about our coaching and mentoring strategy. This will allow us to help achieve our results. This strategy is very important in knowing your team, understanding your team needs, their requirements, their needs, them understanding the business requirements, what they're required to do. This is all part of ensuring that the continuous improvement of the business, therefore the business grows and grows and grows. Now, the first big point that we're going to look at is clarifying the work expectations and the work focus. In this situation, what we're looking at is, what does my employer expect from me? What do I expect from myself? So what we expect of the employee may be very different to what the employee expects they're there to do. What are the work and the team in the coming periods? What do we require of them? What contribution will I as an employee make? What contribution as I as a manager will make to this team member? Coaching and mentoring is a great way to ensure that the team are all supported. Support in a business allows for growth. Growth increases the business. Revenue goes up. Staff, customer satisfaction goes up because everyone understands what they're doing. Staff also, as part of this, are looking for progression. Not all staff, we understand that. Coaching and mentoring allows for progression. It allows for sustainable progression, sustainable income. Staff are happy, they work a lot better. In understanding what expectations are required, it allows us to discuss with staff, get these out, and reach agreements. These agreements are in relation to what are my key work tasks. Am I responsible for what? What do I need to use or utilise, what tools to achieve this? How will I personally as an employee show that I've completed these tasks successfully? What development is in line, or what has the business got to offer me as an employee? How are we going to do this? Performing and ongoing support. This includes coaching and feedback. This is very, very important. Employees want to know how they're going. For them to be able to know how they're going, it's called informal and formal feedback. Formal feedback, reviewing processes and recognising achievements. You have informal meetings. These include team meetings. That's in a formal as well, but you can have meetings one-on-one, which is on an informal basis, just an afternoon chat. Emails saying to the team, what a great job you're doing, you're doing this really well, we've got a slight downfall on this, we need to look at improving this. This is all part of the coaching and mentoring. To be able to do this, we have to understand what they need to do. So employees, in performing an ongoing support, including coaching and feedback, how are we as a team supporting one another? Do you, as a manager, understand how the team is supported? Does the team understand how they support you as a manager? We need to ensure that we're giving feedback and providing progress updates on the work that they're providing. How are we going to deal with new or competing priorities? Something else has come in that's more of a priority than what's currently being done. How do they know that this is going to happen? How do they manage that situation? That's through coaching and mentoring, allowing them to see, learn whilst they're doing the role that they're actually doing. In coaching and mentoring, we're also reviewing the progress and recognising the achievement of the staff member. An example being, what are the key tasks and what have I completed successfully? I've done X, Y, and Z. In feedback, mentoring, coaching, allowing you this feedback, you're actually be able to teach them what they did learn and what were the key tasks, what they're good at, areas that we can build on, professional development, personal growth. This allows them to progress. By coaching and mentoring throughout this, there can be examples of how this can be achieved is through individual performance reviews. On a yearly basis, there should be performance reviews. If staff members are underperforming, this performance review allows you to implement work plans. These work plans allows you to monitor, to watch their skill mix improve or decline. Then it allows you supporting information to be able to make assessment against the employee in the role. Other ways it can be achieved is through informal and formal meetings, as we've just discussed. Group meetings. These group meetings allow for brainstorming, staff communicating, talking together. It all relates to how we communicate. Communication is a big component of mentoring and coaching staff. Team meetings. Team meetings allow for rapport, networking, building relationships, increasing those relationships there on a daily basis, making them bigger, making them better. Team building days, building rapport. This is all part of mentoring and coaching. So with the mentoring and coaching area of any employee, this is a very important role. So what I can say to you is read through the different points that we're all getting together, discuss. I can give you any of my expertise that you're after in relation to this, as I will feedback from you. So I look forward to seeing you all next time when we have our training session on our next key point to ensure that we're all being mentored and coached. Thanks guys, see you.